How to read and write ini file with Python 3. I need to read, write and create an ini file with Python 3. File.ini. Python file. Updated file.ini.
This URL. Python standard library might be helpful in this case.
This can be something to start with. You can find more at the official config parser documentation.
Here's a complete read, update, and write example. Input file, test.ini. Working code. Output file, test_update.ini. The original input file remains untouched.
The standard config parser normally requires access via config _name key, which is no fun. A little modification can deliver attribute access. Attrdict is a class derived from dict which allows access via both dictionary keys and attribute access. That means a .x is a x. We can use this class in config parser. And now we get application.ini with as.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.